Toyota has dropped a handful of teaser shots in a short video showing a new Toyota Century Coupe, a sleek, high-riding two-door fastback set to make its debut at the Japan Mobility Show. The coupe sits tall, like a crossover, and has a blocky, SUV-like nose. Instead of traditional doors, it appears to have sliding doors on the passenger side, and there's no visible B-pillar breaking up that graceful side profile. The driver's door appears to open conventionally. The front end features a Century Phoenix badge, set in a large grille, hinting there's still an engine under there, possibly a 3.5-liter V6 hybrid setup like the Century SUV, or a V8 hybrid combo from the sedan. The taillights stretch wide and dramatic, while the fastback shape suggests Toyota's designers want to be unconventional. Guys, do you like this new Century? Let us know in the comments. Thanks!